In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot reviews to Squarespace. This process is straightforward and seamless, allowing you to effectively integrate customer reviews into your website. Let's dive into the details. First, you'll want to visit the Elfsight website. Elfsight offers a variety of widgets that can be incredibly useful for enhancing your site's functionality. Once you're on their homepage, navigate to the Widgets section. This area contains different options you can use to improve your site, and today we're focusing on one specific tool. In the search bar, type in Trustpilot Review to find the relevant widget. This action will bring up a variety of options related to displaying reviews on your website. Look for the All-in-One Reviews widget and click on it. This particular widget consolidates reviews from various sources, including Trustpilot, making it a versatile choice. Once you're on the widget page, click on Create Widget for free. This will prompt you to select a template that best fits your website's style. Elfsight provides a range of templates to match different aesthetics, so take your time to find the one that aligns with your branding. After choosing a template, click Continue to move to the next step. The next action is to click Publish. By publishing, Elfsight will generate an embed code specific to the design and settings you've selected. It's important to note at this stage, you'll need to select a plan. For this demonstration, we'll go with a free plan to keep things cost-effective. Once you've selected your plan, you'll receive an embed code that you'll use to add the reviews to your Squarespace site. Now, it's time to head over to your Squarespace editor. In the editor, look for the option to Add Block. This is where you'll integrate the code we copied from Elfsight. Click on Embed from the block options. This action will take you to the section where you can paste HTML or other types of code. Click on Edit, which will open another option called Code Snippet. Here is where you'll paste the embed code from Elfsight. Once you've pasted the code, select Embed Data. This will activate the code and allow the widget to be viewable on your Squarespace site. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. Saving your changes ensures that everything is properly published, and your Trustpilot reviews will now be visible to your website visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added Trustpilot reviews to your Squarespace site using Elfsight's widget. This addition can significantly enhance your site's credibility by showcasing real feedback from your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.